We have the motorcycle in the back. And we have the 100-pound suit right here. This is my first time going on the track with the motorcycle, so wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. Quick stop for ice and some food. But it was freaking pouring out here. She's completely like what? Sucks. We're finally here. Jeez. And we got tech over here taping off the headlights, tail light, mirrors. And we are ready for check-in and tech inspection. Let's start the bike up for the start of the day. Now heading over, as you can see, it's still wet out here. It rained early in the morning, but that's not gonna stop us. Here's the line for check-in, and look at that badass female on the white and pink bike. All checked in, now the line for tech inspection. Alright, so now he's checking my suspension, making sure everything's secure on the bike. Alright, now he's checking the back. Now I got my sticker, that means I passed inspection and I'm ready to go. I got my cranks on.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Okay. Start it.
I'm hella nervous.
The girl behind you. Saw the girl?
I can't turn it.
I'll meet you in the truck. I'll meet you over there.
Alright, now that she's ready, all taped up and already passed inspection, we're gonna get ready for our welcome meeting. That's gonna be in a little bit.
Yes, you are.
On to the meeting.
Happy Mother's Day for all the mothers that obviously allowed us to be here today. All right, so, and happy Mother's Day to Brett. Yeah. All righty. Real quick before we get started here.
Alright, getting geared up. I ain't gonna lie, it was a struggle putting them boots on. This suit is brand new. A lot of cool bikes out here. There was a lot of people camping out here. I heard that people camp overnight. As you can see, the trailers, RVs, all that. That was pretty dope. Now I'm finishing up, getting ready to head over to my class. Now you can watch me struggle with this suit. Man, it was a struggle to get on the bike with that brand new suit. Alright, I'm on. Now a little stretch here.
You gotta stretch later.
Alright, first class before heading over to the track.
With our bikes, we are not fighting them anymore. We're going to learn how to ride these things properly. This is part of it. So by getting my vision up.
Alright, So I'm going for my first lap. Wish me luck. Ready to go. Bye.
As soon as he pulled out, I was like, oh my
I
god.
should have red flag, but I don't. Oh my goddamn mirror. And I was looking at my mirrors.
You were looking at them?
And,
You were looking at them?
yeah, because you know how on the street you're used to looking at your mirrors.
Oh,
So I heard the noise behind me. I'm like, yeah, it takes focus from the turn.
How you like it so far?
It's pretty cool. I mean, I was going really slow because I didn't know where the hell I was going.
Were you close to the,
I was trying to get close to the cones, but it was hard.
were you behind the guy though, close or no?
At first. Then I started looking for mirrors and where the people were at.
Why
Like
were
with
you
the
looking
flags
at
and
mirrors?
stuff. I told you because then I saw the cars, the motorcycles coming in here, and I could hear them, and that made me nervous. It gets you nervous a little bit, like who's behind me?
Yeah, that's a professional setup right there. Yeah.
came back.
Oh.
Yeah. And we're going fast.
Every single person here is the worst enemy is visual. It's not just you. I deal with it every day. That's why the first two sessions, I'm constantly trying to train my mind to look at the towers, to find the tops of trees and shit, just to stop looking at the ground.
Oh, it's better. It feels slow, but it's okay.
It's slowly improving.
Because you're so focused on what's right there in front
Can't
of
do
you.
the handbrake like that he's saying.
Yeah.
My body's not letting me do it. Like I don't do it.
Corner, and then once you get to
And
that
then
apex, you're like,
it's the back brake that's getting
you
me.
look up again. Where's the next one?
Trying not to.
You're not.
Yeah.
Let's go with second call.
Oh, the-
Second call.
lunchtime?
Second call.
We got an hour to eat. I was starving. My hands are numb. So yeah, let's go watch the pros
What
for a
you
little
eat?
bit. I ate cheeseburger and half my water.
Lots of water. Stay hydrated.
Hey guys, so we made it through our first motorcycle track day. First, when we got here in the morning, we went to tech inspection. Then after that, we went into a classroom where they taught us about the track, the turns, apex, the flags, all of that. Then we went out with the coaches on the track where he was pointing out everything that we should be looking out for. That was very, very helpful. After lunch, they gave us a little certificate because we passed the class and they left us on our own. And I did pretty good on the first lap after lunch, and then on the last one, I'm gonna leave a little video in there so you can have a laugh at me. I kind of went off the road off the road into the grass. I didn't panic, so the bike is good, as you can see. But yeah, that was the last run. I really do recommend the program. It was really good. I'm definitely leaning more, as you can see right here. Look at that. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I don't think I would have got them like this if I didn't come in here today. So I do recommend it. I'll be looking out for the next one. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.